Nagaland laga Industries and Commerce Advisor or MLA Hekani Jakhalu pra Friday de Naga Maiki Khan ge bhag hoi thagya laga opor uthigina Naga Society de Unity anibole lead kribole koishe. Central Nagaland Women Association laga sabse poila General Conference de Hekani Jakhalu kun chief guest thagishe tar pra Maiki Khan ge peace or reconciliation laga agent hobole matishe. Edu conference to Watsamongdang pra host krishe aro Mokokchung Town Hall pra hudushe. Kude 1000 nishna delegate Sumi Tutimi Hoho Lota Iloi Hoho aro Watsamongdang pra aishe. Itia kunuba ge dosh dia culture ge khilaf kurigina MLA pra kushi ke edu pra society de Arabic division dongor kuri ase. Hekani Jakhalu pra aro kushi ke democracy de strong opposition thagibole lage, transparency aro accountability thagibole nimide. Opposition do dushman nohoi kogina etu healthy government laga backbone ase kushi. Even the CNWA President Atoli Sema Watsamongtang President, Ausentan General Secretary Imti Pokim, aro CNTC President Kodao Muli Kanbi Kota Kushi, aro CNWA laga nutun executive team gebe introduce Kurdish.
Mamsul hak Hollywood WY Kanchinaho.
The work before us is not small. Progress is not accidental. It does not come from wishful thinking.
Spouses of our honorable MLAs, business, family, on my own behalf and on behalf of the 25 legislators, we also call ourselves CNLA. So I bring greetings from all of us. Like Madam President had mentioned, though they are not here physically, we also all got together and we know that the women are having a conference today in Mokokchung. They have all contributed so that this program can be conducted comfortably. And the whole purpose, not as you would expect, probably you would expect ministers, advisors and MLA to contribute starting from 10, 20 lakhs. It might be cliche also, sometimes it happens, but it's from the heart. We have given. That is the objective. It's not just only the fun part, but the objective is to show our solidarity. And we believe that it is one family, one team, and we are also part of this conference and part of this celebration. So from all of them, and from all of us, we congratulate all of the members of CNWA for holding its first conference. The logo, when we see the logo here, it says unity, equality and progress. And I want to touch a little bit on all the three. This was probably in 2022, before the general elections. And so, rightly it says unity, equality and progress. I want to start with equality. At that time, women were not in the highest decision-making body. So probably the founders must have thought of that also as one of the main reasons of why equality should have been there. I feel very privileged that on this very, very momentous occasion, I get to stand here on behalf of all of you, all the women. When we look at the Naga society, yes, our women are equal in so many ways when we compare ourselves to the mainland India. But we have not arrived, we are not still there till we are part of the decision-making body. And I know many of our women have been praying over the years, praying to God that God will open the way for us so that women can also be in the highest decision-making body. And today, I stand here not because of my goodness or not because of my qualities, but I know I am an answer to the prayer of so many women in Nagaland. Madam Sabatuna and I were the two women, and I'm really proud, not because I won the election. Personally, I feel very proud. I feel I've achieved what I ever wanted in life. And that is, we have broken the glass ceiling, we have shattered the glass ceiling for women. In the past, as a young woman with so many qualifications, studying all over the world, I still felt a little sense of inferiority complex because the power always belonged to men, and I never even imagined that we can also be there. But today, because we have shattered the glass ceiling, our daughters and our children and our girls, they will never think that they are ever inferior, but they'll feel equally empowered to support men to take our Naga society forward. So thank you very much to everyone, your prayers, your support, and your vision to have women in the Legislative Assembly. It's just the beginning, and in the ULP elections we have discussed. In my constituency, women fought, one of them, she's here, she fought in a general seat also. So that shattering the glass ceiling made women more confident that we can. And I don't want men leaders sitting here to feel that we are here to upstage your power or we are here to, shake you, but we are here to support you so that we can grow together equally for the larger interests of the Naga society. Secondly, unity. And this is one of my favorite topics. And this issue, wherever I go, I keep on talking about this. And today I want to specifically stress on unity. We know that when the CNTC was formed with the three constituents, the three tribal constituents, the whole purpose was solidarity, fraternity, brotherhood, to watch out for each other, but to work together for the common good of the Nagas in general, which we have also heard from our president. Today, we all know how much the Naga society is divided, how much the Naga society is fragmented. We ourselves, in our homes we talk about it, in our offices, in our association, Naga unity we also keep on talking. But after that, after agreeing that Naga Manudoso but what is the next line that we usually continue the conversation? Itu kan karena ini conversation. Itu kan karena itu kan ini kan It's always the blame game. We always play the blame game. We never reflect. Kami kan nijo naga what they utang punya si kami kan kita binasa. Kulibi itu paratik kurang, itu paratik kurang, itu para ini kan politik kasi. Usually that is the conversation amongst the Naga society. And women have a very, very important and a powerful role to play in bringing unity amongst the Naga society. And that is why I want to stress on this topic. Ami Khan, in the Legislative Assembly, for a democratic government, it is always nice to have opposition. Opposition government will be check and balance, be avoid, or transparency, be avoid, and that is the healthiest form of government. Opposition people. But because today there is factionalism, divisionism everywhere. Underground भी नहीं कहीं, overground भी नहीं कहीं, बस निचों लगा बस्ती भी नहीं कहीं, tribe लगा बिचों भी नहीं कहीं, churches भी नहीं कहीं के नाम से हमारे society. Division. contributed everywhere. Every second day or third day, new groups are popping up. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Nifuri Obara, they told us, the 60 MLAs, Amir Khan, we have to have one voice. Yes, opposition thakilegi aur the governance karne bhala ase. But for the larger interest of the Naga society, especially as we Nagas are fighting for a solution, our political issue is not closed as yet. Aur kiman Amir Khan Naga manu bhangibo, kiman group hobo, kitya bhi solution dur jao. So, Honorable Chief Minister said that it has its challenges also, but if the Legislative Assembly is all one, at least this is one body that should be one to have one voice for the Naga people. Now I want to again tell our women and our mothers and our girls here, we have a very important role to play, and we can do it. We can bring that unity. And I want us to forget us as an organization for once, but as an individual. I'm speaking just to each and every woman here. You and I have a very, very powerful role, and that is because God has also made women very differently. We are so special. We have the power to convince. We have the empathy. We have emotion. We think from our heart. We are more forgiving. We have many male leaders here also. We all know Mota Khanto aggressive bhi ase. Mota Khanto ami Mota ase kile talaga niche dekho. Ami Mota ase ami bhi dekhai dibo. You know? And it's also a little natural. God has made them little like that. Probably, I don't know. But that is when things also go wrong. Today when we see so many factions, and when I say factions, not necessarily underground, overground, everywhere. Factions meaning choto group. It's a struggle of power. Ami kan ekta group badai na se, bhi ekta mano laga opinion to khushi na pai. Moi ta laga to kya nahi. Moi bhi mota se moi bhi dekha. Moi alag group ho jao. And that 100 is divided into 50-50. Then again, so sometimes my observation is personal observation. Correct me if I'm wrong. But there's also a lot of power struggle that is happening because a little bit of ego play. And this I say confidently because I have heard male leaders admitting it. I have many legislator friends and other male leaders. They also admit and this is where women can play that role. I want to take the example of two women in the Bible. Esther. We all know the story. I'm not going to get into the story. Esther won the favor of the king. And in spite of the plot that was being made to destroy the people, to exterminate the Jews, Esther's community, Esther convinced, found favor in front of the king, in the eyes of the king, her husband. And she did everything possible to win the king's heart. And it is how Haman, the one who was plotting, was the one who was killed by the king, and Esther's community got saved. That is the power of women. The other woman, the other example in the Bible, क्योंकि शुरू हुआ तो लोग difficult हो जाए. Maybe अमी खाना मैडम आतोली आतोली team, the first team. तकन बार भाग foundation हमी के लिए second, third में हम आगे ले जाए. Organization मुझे कोई भी आगे जाओगे. कि बार vision है कि वो निजो लगा family के लिए कि बार vision है कि वो निजो लगा बच्चा के कि बार vision है कि वो. And I'm sure all of you here, representing thousands and thousands of other women from the our community, from the civic community, that every mother here is a mother of prayer and a mother of faith. I want to believe that. And so, let us continue. Even if we have key program with Tagishi community, if you don't have God as the center of your life, and the center of your vision, and the center of your program, it becomes difficult. I want to encourage all of you to continue to pray, continue to work hard, so that through the efforts of the members of Central Nagaland Women Association, we are all members of the CNWA, so through our efforts, we'll be able to bring about the change, whether in terms of unity or whether it's in terms of progress, that Nagaland as a state, Naga as a community is so desperately craving for. I wish all of you the very best in your life, in your family, in anything that you do, so that we go together and through our lives and to the lives of the Naga people, and especially to the lives of the three communities, we'll be able to glorify God's name.